Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Compare Files, I'm going to show you yet another amazing Python plugin in Eclipse 11. Compare Files is not part of the standard set of plugins, so you'll need to find this one in the plugin store. I'll go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store, and if my list is in alphabetical order, I see that Compare Files is listed here. It tells me that this plugin is run as a utility, so it won't be adding any commands or macros. When you run the plugin, it'll ask you for two files, and then it will provide a report to you about the differences between those two files. One of the recommended ways to use this is to keep an unedited copy of your file, and then compare it with an edited file later. So to use Compare Files, I'm going to download it. I'll press OK. And now, since this is a utility plugin, I won't need to restart Eclipse to use it. I'm just going to go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and Compare Files is listed. Since this is a utility plugin, I don't want to hit Enable. Instead, I'm just going to hit Run whenever I want to use it. So here I have two sample jobs. I have the original sample job, and then I have the edited sample job. And I'm going to select both of those files and compare them. Or you can first select just one file and then select the other. Eclipse tells me how many total characters there are, how many edits were made, and the percentage of the document that was changed. So this was a very small document that I made, and let's take a quick look at both of those documents. So this is the original document, and you see that there are some errors with capitalization and some missing punctuation. Additionally, there was an addition to this last sentence from the witness that needed to be added. And if we go and look at the edited version, we see that Advantage Software has been capitalized the correct way, the 3 was changed to a word, punctuation has been added, and the final tidbit of the answer was also added. And so all of these are changes that Eclipse is going to be tracking and adding into that total percentage changed. So again, since it's a utility, all I need to do is go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins. I'll choose Compare Files and hit Run. And then I'm just going to select both of the files that I want to compare, or select one and then the other. And Eclipse again tells me all of the different edits made in the document and how much of the document is different. And you can use this information as it changes over time to see how your real-time skill is progressing. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support is available for any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.